guys, what's up YouTube? Hey, we're gonna be removing the steam valve seals, and then we don't have, like, since we don't have the official equipment or tools to remove this steam valve seals, as you can see here. So there are 16 steam valve seals that we're gonna be removing, and we don't have the tools, official tools, as I say, to remove them. So we only have these things here, two pliers, aluminum strip, and then flathead pliers. So we will see if we can remove this steam valve using this tools here that we have. So I only have this, got loose, this one here. See if I can remove this again. This is really take time and a lot of patience. So kailangan mo po magpasensya dito, dahil hindi basta-basta. Natanggalan po natin, natanggal na yung steam valve seals. So ito yung steam valve seals, guys. Ito. Okay. So nakapot po siya. Ito yung sa kanyang intake steam valve seals. Pagka nag-overhaul kayo, tapos papalitan yung steam valve seals. Okay, ito yung sometimes pagka worn out na ito yung kadalasan na mag-deliver ng blue smoke, no? Since pagka mag-start kayo early in the morning, like if you have a 20 years old car or engine, so pagka worn out na ito, dito siya, sometimes dito mag-sits in yung kanyang oil dito, and then pagka mag-start kayo early in the morning, dito lulusot yung oil goes into there, goes into the combustion chamber, and then you have the blue smoke. And then after like seconds or minutes, once the engine goes to the operating temperature, then the blue smoke will be gone. That means that's from here, that the oil is sitting here overnight. Okay, so really advisable to change the valve. Okay, so we're gonna remove the other one. Para lang tayo nito, ibutong-ipo, no? So alalayan nyo lang, dahil huwag nyo pigain masyado, dahil yung kanyang valve guide is para not to prevent na the valve guide won't be damaged, no? Just apply a little bit of grip, and then wiggle it slowly until such time na it reduces. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is we're gonna, like as I said, this will really take time. Okay, just wiggle. pliers. The tong pliers is having a good grip here. So we are having a good grip. Hopefully you can remove it successfully now. So again, this is what you're gonna do if you don't have the proper tools to remove the bulb seals, steam bulb seals. Okay. Slowly but surely. Malapit na siya. Yan there. Yan. Just keep it wiggling. Keep it wobble. Talaga pagka nag-iisa lang yung kamay mo. Naghawak ng camera. Mahirap na kasi yung mga magkaroon ng content creator ka talaga. So yung sikap din, paano mo ma-deliver yung trabaho na matanggal yung pagtanggal ng steam bulb seals. Pagka matanggal na natin ito, then surely the same procedure on everything. Same procedure lang siya. So yan, alam mo ang kanyang steam bulb seals. So ilawan natin yung kanyang bulb guide kung hindi pa na-damage yung kanyang bulb guide. Ayos naman yung bulb guide, wala siyang tama bulb guide. Okay, so yun yung bulb guide niya guys. Maganda po yung dating ng bulb guide. As you can see, medyo marumi lang siya. We need to like clean up a little bit on the bulb guide after. That's the residue of the rubber from the rubberize kasi itong sa loob niya. So yan, so the same procedure lang ang gagawin natin as to the remaining 16 steam bulb seals. Same procedure lang pagka ang ginawa natin dito, tanggal ng lahat na ito. So ito yung steam bulb seals yung pagka magkabit kayo ng steam bulb seals, take note na merong iba-ibang kulay. Yung ibang brand, ibang kulay ang exhaust, may kulay. And then may iba yung kulay din sa intake. But more or less some of these things are they have I think they have the same color here. But ang anuhin natin dito, ang pinaka ano natin dito is pareha lang sila ng butas, no? Yung kanyang dito sa may rubber niya, you need to have like the same size. So again, some of the models they have a different color, but this one here, as you can see, is just the same. So parehas lang ito, either magkabilaan ito o sa intake o should have the same color. Okay, sometimes the gray color is on the exhaust side, no? But this one here we have the same color, so have the same kabilaan sila. Pwede sa exhaust, pwede din sa intake na ilagay. So yan na po guys ang pag removal ng steam valve cells using